Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your GMT over there. So welcome back to Oxygen Graphics. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the best 5 mockup sites that you can get your quality mockup from. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly like this video, share and comment, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop any amazing videos like this. And if you are returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate you guys. So let's move down to this site. So I'll be dropping the link to these 5 sites in the description, so don't hesitate and wait for this. So watch this tutorial to the end without skipping any step to get these details. So the first thing is that this graphics slash free mockup. So let's click on it and let's check the quantity of some mockup that they get. So you have to turn on your data and download the mockup and for free. Yeah, so this is the first mockup site I'll be showing you on this tutorial. You can see these are their mockup. You can see how quality and beautiful they are. So if you want to download of this, just let's select this iPhone 14 Pro mockup. So click on it and wait for it to load. Yeah, so if you want to download this now, you now move it down, come down here and click. You can now see download. So if this is the mockup that you need, you can just click on this download and download it to your phone gallery and go and use it whether on Photoshop or Photopea. So this is the first one. So let's go and check on the second one also. Yeah, so let's click on this second one and let's check out their mockup is. Yeah, so this is the second one. You can now see, you can now get the mockup of iPhone, Apple Watch Ultra mockup. So and this iPhone 14 Pro Max, all this MacBook, you can now get their mockup for free. So let's access one of it. After you access, let's come down here. You can now see download mockup. So click on this download mockup to access this mockup directly to your Photopea or your Photoshop. So for me, I am using Photopea. You can now get Photopea or Photoshop on your smartphone. So let's access the third one. This Graphberry. Yeah, so this is the third best mockup site that you may have never known about. So you can now see, you can get this mockup for free. This is an Instagram or LinkedIn post mockup. Yeah, you can access this everything to just edit it and place your own design on it. So if you want to access any of it, let's click on this water bottle PSD mockup. So you have to skip on their ads and access it. So come down on this water bottle and come to this save. You can now save this mockup for your own use. So this is the third one. Let's go and check on the fourth one. Yeah, this mockupfree.co. Yeah, so this is the third mockup I'm going to show you on the fourth. So you can see how quality these mockups are. If you want to access any of it, let's just access this cloth mockup and you have to come up here to skip the ad. You come up here to skip the ad, click on that cancel and you get back to your mockup site. So this is it. If you want to access this one, you have to come here, buy and download or unlock download. So this is just for you to download or pay for this. It's telling you that this mockup, this exact mockup has to pay for. So you can get another one that you don't need to pay for free. So let's go back to the last but not the least on this tutorial. So this good mockups, this good mockup. So this is the last. You can now see, you can get the best mockup and quality mockup from this. So let's wait for the preview to load. Yeah, so you can get it for free. All of these are free. You can use this for your design, you can use it for your design and intro. So if this today's tutorial work for you, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share and comment, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop any amazing videos like this. And if you are returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate you guys. See you guys in my next tutorial. Peace out. Working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah. Fatal like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot.